because we are going to make delicious food. Today we're going to make ham sandwich. It's so easy. First, you need to get some bread and ham. After that, you should put cheese and ham on one sandwich. Finally, put another slice of bread on top. That's it. We are finished or ready to eat. Wow, isn't it so yummy? Thank you for joining me today. This has been Sejong's